Hello, it's Muji with Grapple Truck Sales. With dump truck, Grapple Truck Sales. Look at how this Grapple truck is working.
What? Hello?
Oh! Wow, look at how this thing is working. This truck is 2019 International with Cummins Engine. Jose!
Hey!
Thank you for making this truck.
Okay!
Jose with Soto Welding, he made this truck.
I'm gonna tell you how to get back.
Removed the system from an older truck and installed it on this truck. Freshly painted. Oh yes, look at the dump working.
It's a roll-up system.
It's a roll-off system. Wow. Look at this, freshly painted, no rust. Wow.
And then this is dump the system at quantity.
Double axle. This is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God. This is crazy. Everything working beautifully. And there's a warranty. This truck comes with warranty. How many speeds?
10.
It's a 10-speed or 10-speed manual. And it's a 2019 International, 272,000 miles only. Yes, please. Cummins. Cummins CX-15. No oil leaks. So can you show us how you turn it off?
Huh?
Can you show us how you turn everything off?
Yes. But this is your controller to go down with it. Right?
It's going down.
Okay. And then I'm gonna have to go up there and go.
Okay. How do you turn off and on the PTO?
PTO goes right here.
Okay.
That's it. The light should go off.
Okay, light went off. Okay.
And then to engage it, all you have to do is press the clutch, and PTO.
So that is to engage the PTO.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the light, it shows you when it's on.
Okay, perfect. Anything else we need to know?
That's it.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.